Just like the sign says, sweetheart, we're making a tuna melt today on sourdough bread with sweet caramelized onions and Gruyere cheese and Colby Jack. Ooey gooey delicious tuna melt. But first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Then click the bell so that you're notified whenever a new video goes up. I love when you stop by. So let me know you're checking in. All right, let's get back to that tuna melt, sugar. First, I start out by buttering both sides of my sourdough bread with mayo. It works as a great browning agent for anything because it's made out of oil. Okay, we're going to butter both sides and then put it down on a warm pan and start to assemble everything right there in the pan. I've got some sweet Vidalia onions, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on the side. And when that melts down, it's going to be really, really delicious. Okay, let's top it off with our tuna. Now, I knew I was going to do that. So for the tuna, it's canned, y'all. It's canned. I ain't always fancy. Sometimes I just want to eat quick. So it's canned tuna that I just made sure all the water was out of it because you don't want a soggy melt. And then I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of chili, and that's it. Now I'm topping it with a little Swiss and Gruyere. See how pretty that side is? We're going to have both sides nice and crispy and brown. And for those caramelized onions, honey, I could eat them straight out the pan. But I'm going to load my sandwich up with it. Top it. And turn. Look how beautiful. Now, the only thing I'm sad about is you didn't get to see the cheese pull. Trust me, honey, there is a cheese pull that is absolutely outrageous. Okay, but I was eating and forgot to hit the record button as it was pulling. You got to make this. It's just good. It's just a great snack after work or school or anytime, actually. It's a tuna melt from Sugar Pearls. Food that loves you back.